Hello and good day to my friends and lecturer. My name is Chia Lee Jie, and today I would like to present about the human needs and the earth environmental sustainability and how the engineers deals with these issues. And so let us start. First, we should understand what is the human needs now. And as we know that the human needs energy. The use of energy is very important. It is because it can solve the problems in all the direction. We also can use the energy to provide the living quality and build a better civilization in nowadays. And there are various of power in earth, such as the solar power, wind power, hydropower, and so on. And one of the power that humans are always depends on is the electric power. So a question is coming. How can an engineer build a system that provides unlimited electricity to the society? The green energy that today we focus on is the tidal power. So let's talk more further about the tidal energy. As we know that the 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by the water. So tidal energy is the best choice for using to produce the electricity. And tidal power is a form of hydropower that converts the energy from the natural rise and fall of the tides into the electricity. So normally, tides are caused by the combined effect of the gravitational forces exerted by the moon and sun and the rotation of the earth. So as your information, tidal power station can be only installed along the coastline because the coastline often experience the too high tides and the too low tides on a daily basis. So it will be more easier to produce the electricity. And the tidal energy can be created from some of the technologies such as the tidal barrages, tidal fences, and tidal turbines. And the tidal barrages are the most efficient tidal energy sources compared to the tidal fences and the tidal turbines. It is because it has the largest contact surface area to the flow of the water. Let's go to the next part. These 6 pictures are related to our advantages of the tidal energy. Firstly, it is inexhaustible source of energy and it is renewable. And second, it is environment friendly energy too. So it does not produce the greenhouse gases such as the carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen oxide. And the tidal energy efficiency is around 80%. If we compare to other energy like solar energy, the efficiency of the solar energy is around 50% to 40%, and it looks like very low. And solar energy is very dependent on the weather. However, the tidal energy is not dependent on the weather, but it more depends on the tides. Next, the life of tidal energy power plant is very long. Then it does not require fuel to run out, and the maintenance costs are relatively low. And the last, we can predict the rise and fall of the tides. Next, let's have a look on the disadvantages of tidal energy. First, the cost of the construction of tidal power is very high, and it needs ideal location for the construction of plant. And it just can only build in the coastal regions only. And the construction of the plant might be bringing a huge impact to the aquatic life, and it might lead to the marine habitat destruction. So let us see how the engineers solve the issues. Firstly, we can minimize the place of the power plant to minimize the marine habitat destruction. And we can change the materials that used on the constructing the power plant, so it can decrease the cost. And last, we can modify the shape of turbine to increase the contact surface area to water flow, so it can be maximize the produced energy. So let's make a conclusion. And tidal energy is a clean source of energy and does not require much land, And however, the energy generated is not much as high, and low tides only occurs twice a day. So it cannot be continuous energy production. So that's all for me. Thank you.